What's going on? I'm about to do a quick video, not a quick video, but a video of the last 30 minutes of the trading day. Yeah, I'm at the gym, but I just bought a Tesla 177.50 put that expires next Friday. I'm about to see what I can do to close out the day. As you can see right here, I got it for 806, and I'm up what 17 something dollars right now. So I'm just trying to see if it's gonna pull back. The last 30 minutes of the market. So I don't know if y'all hear no noise. I'm right at my apartment complex over by the pool. I didn't want to be talking up in the gym. Got a few people up in there working out. Not really trying to hit me, but yeah, I'm gonna see if this pull back. Hold on, let me look at what I'm up so far today. I was up nice, but I got in there earlier in the Tesla put out the money that went against me. I think I lost about $80 on that trade, and I came up out of it. So right now, I'm just trying to see if I can get that $80 back. Then I'll cover it up. So right here, you can see what, up $12. So, well, I don't got to keep looking at it. That's my average cost, 806. So I'm going to look at it like this. Where we going to look at it at? Right here. We can look at Tesla price action. And we can look at the actual, the movement. So if I get close to my $80 back that I lost on the first trade, because I bought a $160 put, but not this Friday, not this coming Friday, but the 2 Fridays from now, and it went against me. Tesla took off. Like I said, I lost like 80 bucks. Well, y'all lost 80 bucks, but I had 2 contracts, and like I lost like $40 per contract, and I dipped up out of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna see what 332. So I'm covering this up. But I would like to let it get up to about $900. Well, $9 for the contract. If we get up somewhere near there, I'll cover it up. And I don't know if I'll make up my mind next 20 something minutes if I'm gonna leg into a credit or a debit spread. Might be a credit spread. How Tesla reacting is just, man, it's running like the old days. And I was done with the market too. I was up a couple $100 on this account, and no, boredom will kill you. See, look at this, Tesla a beast, but what is up, 11, 12%, 12.5%. Man, come on. I'm just expecting people to sell before the close, and bring it down like to under 10%. I mean, I just want to know what's changed with Tesla. I know they had some earnings, they did okay, but for it to be up, what, for the week, 32% in a week, man, that's crazy. I know it dropped like that too, so I'm not bitching or nothing. It dropped just like it's going up now, so. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna buy what I supposed to bought yesterday. I quailed it. I mean, for those that don't know what quailed means, when you try to buy after hours, if you don't buy a whole contract, you buy a percentage. They promote for some stocks, they won't let you do it. They'll make you wait till tomorrow. So I end up canceling them. So I'm just gonna double up today, because what I'm up, 124 right now. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did yesterday. Oh, hold on, what I'm looking at. Okay, there we go. I want to see that Tesla price action, and what I want to see is some aggressive dropping. Come on, get up under 179. I want to see you get down to like 177.50 area. Oh, well, I can have a little story time right now. So, for those that don't know, your boy a truck driver. And this right here, this account right here, I don't I know I want to show what I'm due on the daily, but I don't know if I want to use this as another source of income, or if I want to build a portfolio. So right now I'm buying some Bitcoin, and not in a Bitcoin wallet. I'm just using the price action. I don't trust Robinhood to hold my Bitcoin, so I'm not doing not using a wallet. I hold my own Bitcoin. I wouldn't dare hold my Bitcoin in Robinhood. Ain't no damn way. So I'm just doing a price action. I'm looking at, come on, do some aggressive dropping. Well, 336 still got 24 minutes. And now this can go the other way. You can get some aggressive buying, and that bad boy shoot up. So, no. Oh, yeah, but let me get back to what I was saying. You know, your boy a truck driver. And so I'm doing 1099 right now. I had my own truck, but it started giving me like little knick-knack problems. So I went back to first I went back to JB Hunt. I was doing intermodal, but I realized I didn't like being with a small company that was just, I mean, once you have your own truck and you do your own thing, I mean, for me, I don't know for everybody else, but it's hard going back just doing with the company and the micromanaging, you know, the nitpicking. I know they got 20,000 truck drivers, so they got to treat everybody the same, but I just realized I didn't want to do that. So I went back doing 1099. So I don't know if I'm going to use this account to try to stack my bread, turn this in about 50 grand, and just go out and get me another truck with this. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but right now I'm just going to build a little, I'm going to build the portfolio up as for right now, but things might change. You got to excuse the wind. I'm outside, but I'm walking around the pool, about to go back in this gym after this close up. I just wanted to keep an eye on it. Because, you know, you take your eye off this, you know, off a stock like Tesla, any stock, but really Tesla, it can smack you in your face. You can come back and look and see you down $200 on one contract. So, yeah, I just want to see some aggressive selling, because people up nice. You can't tell me they're not up nice. So if you up nice, this is my thinking of it, the psychology of it. If I was up nice and I had some, you know, some calls or whatever, if I had a lot of, if I was a trader. Now, if you're an investor, you know, they gonna hold on to theirs. But if you was a trader, hell yeah, I would take some profit. So that's what I'm expecting. People in the option contracts, you know, traders, not investors, that they're gonna take some profit before the close. And I'm just hoping to see a couple big red candles. Well, I'm not looking at the candle right now. I'm just hoping to see a nice little drop. And if I don't see that drop, if I don't get it, I'll just cover it up and just take the little $20, $30 win I got. So right now, what? Getting 806, I'm up $34. But it dropped. It's been happening all day. I don't know why I'm fighting why am I even dealing with this? But I really believe it's gonna drop. But let me look at these other. I like to look at QQQ and get like a look at QQQ too. I like to get some kind of idea what the overall like the tech. I look at SPY too, but they basically do the same thing for the most part. So yeah, to get back to what I was saying about trucking, what I do. So yeah, I'm thinking about, you know, turning this into some real money, and like, cause you see, you know, I'm gonna invest in sports betting. So that's what I do. I do a little sports betting on the side. That I enjoy that, and so, you know, when I just take the profits of that and I throw it in the market. I just don't sports bet and go buy nothing. That's how I know. Had me a good week, win me a couple $100. Your boy go buy options with it. Or put it in what I put it in. Okay, come on, pull back. See, we've been doing this all day. But then you have aggressive buying coming right back, and I'll pop it right back up. I need to see that boy drop. I'm talking about, I want to see it get to like 177.50. So I'm doing everything in 50-cent increments. So just show me you're going down, get below 178.50. But to get that 179 just below it, and people buy it right back up. It's hard trying to trade against computers, because that when you trade this, and you're not investing, and you trading against supercomputers. So when people got them orders set, and it triggered to start buying, ain't nothing you can do about it, and vice versa. When it triggered or something, it dropped, and it triggered to start selling, and people got their sale orders in at a certain price, this bad boy will drop. Okay, come on. What we got? 18 minutes left. 342. If we get to 900, $9, I'm gonna cover it up right there. I'm just gonna take, and you can do that quick. Just get down to get a nice long red candle. Come on, get below that 178.50. Then we'll work. See, look at it. You got people now. You got buyers probably setting buy orders in at 178.50. So they got to work through there. It's got to have more sellers than they do buyers. They're like the muscle on through it. Come on, muscle through it. Muscle, come on. See, people buying, and it'll dip back up. But you only got so many buyers. Yep, you only got so many buyers. You only got so many buyers. You get more sellers than buyers, that price is gonna drop. Well, we got 17 minutes. Woo. That's kind of chilly out here, but I ain't going back into the gym until I close this out. And see, I would look at the candlesticks, but the candlesticks on Robinhood, I don't know if they purposely do this, but they be late as hell. You know, stock be going up, and the candlesticks will make it look like they ain't doing nothing, and vice versa. You know, so yeah, you got a lot of buyers out here. They buying it back up. They is not letting this thing drop. Yep, they is not letting this thing drop. I might just have to take this small little win, cover it up. Yep. Man, that thing a beast today, boy. What we got, 16 minutes? You look at it, drop down to that 179, buyers. Got down that 178.50 area, buyers. Come on, dump for me. Oh yeah, let me explain this too while I'm sitting around here just watching this. Robinhood be doing some effed up stuff, boy. They screwed me today. I tweeted out, I tried to get in touch with them, call them. I tried to sell out of, long story short, I leg in the contracts. No, I get up, buy a contract, a long call, then I sell a short call against it for protection. And what was I? I was in the QQQ, in the Qs. So it when it opened, I tried to buy a couple contracts. I had 6 on each side, so 12 contracts in total. I bought it at 141, and they froze. It was stuck in something, and that bad boy went up to like $3. So that's like $160 per contract, and they just had stuck, and I couldn't cancel it. I couldn't do nothing. Then it said like that for like 2 hours. And then they canceled it. Cause I was pushing everything trying to, like, what's going on? And they finally canceled it. So I know damn well they wasn't gonna approve and sell it for the price I had in, which it hit. It didn't hit it, but they had it frozen. And I knew they wasn't gonna give me no $300, no $160, whatever it was, about $160 per contract. I had 6 on each side, but I sold 2 of them. Well, I bought back 2 of them. Cause I was gonna work my way out of it, buy back 2, then hopefully get up. Then I was gonna sell like the long side. So I was gonna work my way out of the option trade, but they screwed me from the jump, and I wasn't able to do it. So, that's why I don't keep my money in Robinhood. Robinhood is something I use for Twitter and YouTube, cause to me it's more photogenic than it come across better, taking pictures of it for Twitter and YouTube than my TD Ameritrade. To me, the TD Ameritrade just don't look good, and Robinhood is real simple and it's real easy to come across and explain. If I tried to do my TD Ameritrade, if you wasn't on TD Ameritrade, I don't think you would get it. So. Yeah, 148. Cause I'm damn sure not holding this until like the last minute or two. If it don't drop like at 355 area, 355. If it don't start giving me a candle on there, then I'll just not close it out. I'll just leg into a credit spread. So, a credit spread, I don't know if you know, but credit spread. So like I got the 177.50. To do a credit spread, I just sell a 180. And if I was doing a debit spread, thinking it was gonna go down, a credit spread, I'm thinking it's gonna go up. I want it to go up or stay above a certain point. So I buy the 180. Sell a 180. You buying it, but it's called selling a 180. And then when you want to come out the contract, you got to buy it back. But if I wanted the credit spread, I would sell a 180. If I wanted the debit spread, I would sell a 175. If I thought it was going down, which I might do also, which I might do too. But it depends on this Tesla, what it do the last 5-6 minutes. Yeah, this is what I do when I'm out riding in the truck. The reason I can't trade every day, cause you can't trade these things and be driving that truck 1 eye on the road and 1 eye on your phone. You end up killing somebody. See, look at this, strong. They just don't want to come back. So yeah, that's why I can't trade every day. But if I'm in a dock, getting unloaded, get loaded, yeah, I hop on there. And it just happened to be like that. Not today, because I called it early this week. But yesterday, I was able to trade sitting in the dock. I can't remember I think I was getting loaded, because I dropped off my load early, Thursday. And I was trading from like 9:30 It took me like 2.5 hours to get loaded. So, yep. I wish a lot of truck drivers would learn how to do this, because you know you got a lot of owner operators, people that do lease. They out here hurting, boy, hurting. You know. And I just thought, I believe if you wasn't, you know, if you wasn't just stuck having to pull any and everything to make your truck note or pay your bills back at home, you know, you learn how to do this. You know, anything, just a side hustle. If you want to call this a side hustle, I don't call it a side hustle. But if you had any other money coming in, you know, and you can see right here what I'm up. I made 193 yesterday. I'm up 140. So, and I got real low expenses. I stay at a little BS apartment. A little BS cheap apartment, 1 bedroom. My car paid for. Come on, drop for me. Get back below 178.50. Yeah, I got like a 2015 Camry. So, yeah. That bad boy, he ride forever too. I ain't never had no problem. I want to get me a Cadillac. They're my 2 cars. If I can get a Cadillac, living down here in Atlanta, I want me a Cadillac for smooth riding, and I want me a Corvette. Give me a Corvette and a Cadillac. Living in Atlanta. If I went back to Michigan, which I'm originally from, Detroit, I would get me like a Cadillac. I wouldn't get the Vet. I'd get a Cadillac and probably get me a big boy truck, like a Suburban or something, something like that. But down here in Atlanta, and I just bounce back and forth. Have me and my girl go down to the Keys or something. That's a long way to ride in the Vet, probably uncomfortable, but I probably ride the Cadillac. But I just like Vets. Come on, drop. You below that 178.50, now go ahead and crash out. Crash out and burn. What we at? Okay, 353. I gotta keep my eye on that time. So I damn sure don't want to get caught with this over the weekend. And then wake up and Tesla be up another 8-9%. And this option won't be 850. This option will be like worth 50 cents, $50 damn. You damn sure don't want to do that. Come on, there you go. Below that one. Get to that 177.50. You get in the money, that's when you start picking up money. When it drop, you really start getting money. Come on. Y'all got to be ready to drink. See, look at that. I'm not even gonna play with Tesla. Look at that. Damn, man. But they say ain't no crying in baseball, ain't no bitching in trade. Stop, shut up. Oh, shit. Yeah. Ain't no crying in trading. That's a lie. Come on, get back. Yeah, I think there's a lot of money on the sideline. Buyers coming back in the Tesla. I still think we're gonna have an off week next week, especially if the Fed come out and say something against the market, which I think it's a chance he might do. He might do, cause I don't think Powell like the market doing this. They trying to calm stuff down. And stuff running like crazy. I know everything was oversold, but I think it's gonna come out next week. I may be wrong. And the reason I say I may be wrong, that's why I'm covering it up. So I'll lose a little bit if I'm wrong. I'm not trying to, lose no damn $800. Come on. Get below that 177.50. What it? Okay, we at 355. So it's got to either happen now. If we get back below above 178, come on, drop. I want to see some aggressive selling. It ain't doing no aggressive selling. Oh, that's it. I'm about to cover it up. So this is how you cover it up. See, I bought the 177.50. I'm gonna leg into debit spread. So let me go to the chain option. I got the third. So I'll go into sell put. See right here, I got the 177.50. I'm gonna go down to 175. See, look at it. Got back below that 178. Me trying to wait. Damn. So it cost me like $20. I ain't gonna worry about it. Come on, drop. If it hit 50, I'm out. I'll take the $50. Oh well, about 40 something. Drop. 177.96. Should be about to drop to 50. I'm out. I ain't messing with this no more. I'm done covering it up. Done playing with these people. They cover it up. Oh, yeah, they gave me 2 contracts up $37 lousy dollars. I walked around this thing for 30 minutes to make $30. Well, 49 though. Yeah, if I'd have just waited, hit it. 358. I want to see before I shut this out. I just want to see if it's gonna do what I thought it was gonna do. Get below 177.50. Let me see if it take off and go the other way. Hold on, let me click it in. I'll use this up here, right here. Got the 175. Put that down here so I can see it too. So I can look at them at the same time. Oh. Tesla is up. Somebody calling me. I ain't trying to talk to you. I'm making this video right now. That's why I got on do not disturb. Yeah, like I did the right thing. I mean, I could have did it when I was up a little more. I think it hit 865. So it is what it is. $20 ain't gonna make or break me, but Tesla was a beast today, man. So let me do, before I close the video, I'll do what I said I was gonna do. Yesterday, was it closed? The market closed? Oh yeah, let me do this. Buy VOO. I mean VTI. Come on, don't close on me. You're gonna make me wait. VTI buy. Damn, it ain't gonna let me do it. $65 trade buy. No, 65, that's 130. Come on. Buy. See if they give it to me. Come on. Yeah, they gave it to me. Okay, let me do VXUS. VXUS. And they gonna let me get it in. I got like $50 I need to buy that. Trade, buy, $50. Damn. Shh. Nope. I gotta wait till Monday. Yep, it stopped on me. And then buy another $10 worth of Bitcoin. Cause I made $100, yeah. I made 156. So I spent $100, did $100 Bitcoin by another $10. And if I'm buying small increments like this, cause I know by $10. Hold on, before I buy it, I just want to see how much it dropped. Like I say, I only got $10, but the average price is $23,150. See if it dropped. 23,150. About $10. See if it drop or go up. Oh yeah, it went up a little more. 23,185. So I'm just, like I said, every day I make at least $100. If I make two and some change, like say 250, I do this like 65% VTI, 25% VXUS, which is an international ETF, and then I do 10% Bitcoin. So right now, 1996. So yeah. So when I do it like that, just get $10 here. I mean, just keep whatever. If my account grow and I'm able to, make $1,000, then I put 10%, be $100 in Bitcoin. So yeah. And then what I do with the change left over, because you're not gonna have winning days every day. That's for the cushion. Hold on, let me show you something else real quick. Then I'm about to end this video. This right here. This is how I build up my reserve. If I don't even know if they put it in my account yet. No, it's still pending. Cause Robinhood do a thing. Nah, that's a different story. So I done withdrew $1,000 back on January 25th, and it should be in my account on the 31st. So that built up my reserves. So playing with these options, you can get your head cracked. This $1,300 can be gone one bad day. So that's what I do. I build up my reserve instead of keeping like $10,000, $20,000 in here playing options. And you think that's a lot of money, but you can lose $20,000 playing with options and get, have one bad day, wipe out a year of good trading. So that's why I don't keep no lot of money in here playing options, because I done did it before. I done blew up accounts. So I done made like $8,000, $9,000 in a week. And then Friday, I ain't lying, get a whole $8,000, $9,000 back trying to, make $100,000 in one day. So that's why I do that like that. So that's my video for today. So everybody, be safe out there, be cool. Like, if you stayed this long, man, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check y'all out Monday. Unless I have some sports bets for this weekend. All right, everybody take it easy. Peace.